everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Yes, so it's been a while, honestly. Pero yeah, for today's vlog, as you can tell, I am going out. Where am I going? I'm going to Manila with my sister to go to National Museum of Fine Arts, and then magbibinondo kami after. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the outfit today before we leave, because actually we're going to leave in just a minute. So this is my outfit. Don't mind the background, pero this cardigan is from Shein, this dress is from H&M, and then this bag is from Uniqlo, and then my shoes are New Balance. I don't know what model, pero yeah, it's my kuyas. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. Soft girl tayo ngayon kasi pupunta tayo ng museum. So yeah, we're gonna take a lot of pictures that will be probably posted on my Instagram account. So if you're not following me, be sure to go follow me. So yeah, pababa na tayo kasi anong oras na? Dapat alis namin talaga is 9, pero na-late kami, so wala. We're done in the National Museum. What can you say? So we're gonna go to Binondo. But before that, we're gonna make the wed. So hot. The Gomburza. Oh my god, it's the Gomburza Monument. Oh, slay. Slay! Pumas lang. That's her outfit. What's your outfit? Uniqlo, Zara, Coach. Yeah. She's so expensive. You love that. I think I know now how to go to Manila. Manila, here we go!
Oh, basta mapagod ako sa'yo.
We're here in Binondo! Are you ready to eat?
Gutom na.
We're ready to eat. Let's go. Our first stop is Dongbae Dumplings. Chunky. Nasa kanya ba ang key? We're meeting my cousin later sa Tasty Dumplings. So yeah. Change outfit pala kasi para hindi mainit. Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Hindi ba nagsisimula?
So our challenge is 1,000 pesos and this money is mine. Mine only. I'm gonna make libre because I'm a good sister. Oh, this is Dongbae Dumplings. We're here in Dongbae. Gonna order. So hot. Go sis. We're here in Dongbae. We gotta order. It's so fast. We're gonna try the dumplings. Actually, na-try niya na. So ako na lang. Wait lang ako. So hot. Saludo po ako sa kotse na pinagpapatungan namin. Thank you so much. It's the dumplings.
Gusto mo ng chili, pwede ka bumalik na nandun kasi yung chili siya.
This is 40 pieces for 200 pesos. So like. Pero bakit may
May lipstick. Yung sa ano ko yun. Di ba nilagay ko yung sauce? Sa akin yan. Hindi nila kasalanan.
May kulay pink. Yummy. It tastes like, ano, yung dumplings na kinain ko sa Singapore. Ganyan siya. I'll give this 8/10. Good. Good business. Good business. We have baon. Kubig. Hindi guys, let's sleep. Okay, let's go to our next stop, which is Tasty Dumplings. So, yung pagkakasunod-sunod nito, it's according to what's closest. So when going here, guys, you have to wear like literal summer clothes kasi mainit talaga siya. Tasty dumplings right there. Nagigitata na yung ano na. Pets are not allowed. You're not allowed. Of course. You're my sister. This is our food. What a big pork chop.
Sabi mo yung kamay.
Yung kamay ko.
Thank you.
The size of my hand. I mean, it's bigger actually. Diba? Isang kanin. Isang ulam. Taste natin yung ice. Medyo matapang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Alam mo, ano yung mainit niya? Parang yung
Let's taste with the sauce. So we have chili. Good amount of chili. And then soy sauce.
mainit talaga. Ito lang sauce masarap.
We're done with tasty dumplings. Now, I don't know where we're going. We're going to Mr. Ube to buy some mango shake and what else? Chocolava daw. It's not so hot anymore. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Dito kahit mabusog ka, it's okay lang. It's okay lang kasi lalakarin mo na lang sa baloy. Mababa ulit yung kinain mo. We're here in Mr. Ube. Mr. Ube! Hello. Hi. There's a lot of kopya here. Malapit na siya sa entrance ng Manila Chinatown.
Sa ano tawag to? Lord's Toast.
Yeah, Lord's Toast. So we're gonna try that.
Famous for the egg tarts.
Egg tart. Let's see what's the hype all about. May ano siya? Crusty siya, tapos parang malambot sa loob. Pero parang kulang sa lakas.
Matabang.
Medyo matabang kasi marami. Siguro nga sa cover.
Sabi nila lasang leche flan daw yun. Hindi ko alam yung kasi na legit. Hindi ko ba nakain? Egg tart kasi. Nagkakalat. Okay.
Medyo matabang. Or is it just me?
Ako lang panlasa.
Lo.
Egg tart na.
Anong ano? Diba?
Ako doon talaga ha.
Ewan ko. How would you rate it?
5 bucks. Not the fun.
Diba? So, next stop, we're going to Oshikon to buy ano dun? Bicho. So, nakabili na kami sa Oshikon. Now, we're here at Shanghai Fried Siopaw. We're gonna buy siopaw. Because I love siopaw. Okay, sorry for the bad angle. Pero, nasa poste kayo. So, we're gonna try the fried siopaw from Shanghai. The original. Ay, nakikita. Ayun, that one. No, pinakita ko naman sa inyo. Bye! Ito kaya. Ano na ito? Hindi siya kulang sa TV. Isang kagat, may laman na agad.
Ano lang siya Shanghai?
Shanghai Shanghai. Good for 35 pesos. Ulit. Pizza. Parang ang pangit pakinggan pag sa akin.
Ate mo kasi. Bicho.
Bicho. Ooh. Wait, let's see. Taka po. Yan. Ikaw na.
Nakala mo lang gano'n kanin similar taste niya.
Basta it's sweet. Sweet.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
Kaso nag-stop ko siya nga lang.
I would rate it 8 over 10. How about you? 9. Sarap daw.
Balik.
Teka lang naman. Para naman nagmamadali tayo dito. So now, we're finding my cousin na nawawala right now. In between. Nasa in between daw siya. Masakit na ng tiyan ko, guys. Dapat maglilingnam pa kami, kaso masakit na daw yung tiyan niya. Tapos medyo masakit na yung akin. So, we're just gonna go find my cousin. Hi, everyone. We're here in Cafe
Cafe Mezzanine.
Mezzanine.
Mezzanine?
Cafe Mezzanine. So,
Ano to? Volunteer Fireman's Coffee Shop.
Wow.
Sabihin niyang may-ari. Ayun.
Isang
Volunteer
bundero.
fireman lang siya.
Wow.
Ayun yung may-ari.
What a touching story. Inom lang kami ng milkshake. Ay, milkshake. Mango shake. I'm with my cousin. La.
Kaya naman siya. Lahat na ginup.
We're just waiting for the order. Then we'll try it again.
Ano na baby? Hindi na siya gagastos ng 30,000 per month. Yung 30,000 na hindi niya alam kung saan niya nakukuha. Tingnan mo naman ngayong month. Ayan.
She's the one son.
Sa mga magbilaw. Ayun, bilaw ka na. Nakakaumay naman. May siomay na. Siomay na pala. May siomay na.
We're going home na, guys.